All right, guys, so I'm on Thanksgiving break vacation, but as usual, I'm working a little bit. I needed to review some KPIs from last week for our all hands in real estate investment companies all hands meeting. We do it once a week, and I came in here and I was just floored. It was such a great week with all of our KPIs above my standard. And so you'll notice here I spent $461 in marketing last month, or not last month, last week, and that resulted in 15 leads. This is pretty normal. We spend about $450 per week, and we pretty consistently get about 15 leads. So cost per lead is $31, and this is only PPC and PPL, so pay-per-click and pay-per-lead providers here. Of the 15 leads that came in, we connected with 13 of them. So $31 cost per lead, and 87 of them we connected with. This is pretty typical. We're really close to 90% on most weeks. And then of those 13 people that we connected, we triaged 92 of them. So finished all the way through our triage call. Of those 12 people that we connected with, 11 of them were qualified. Typically, we don't get that many. I just redid some stuff in our PPC campaigns to go after more targeted keywords, some long tail keywords. And I'm floored about this. 92% qualification rate is just fantastic. Of the 11 that our lead manager submitted to me, I agreed with all 11 of them were qualified. Of the 11 of them, 10 of them passed our sniff test deal analysis. So we'll do a little bit of like desktop analysis. Typically takes about 30, maybe 45 minutes. We'll do a little bit of reviewing comps in order to determine what our ARV is, and then look at what the ARV condition looks like in comparison with what the seller told us on the phone the condition of the property was, and then bridge the gap. Is it gonna take us $5,000 to get there? Or is it going to take $50,000 for us to get there? So step one, ARV. Step two, repair estimate. Step three is we structure the deal. After that, it's like, does this make sense for us to look further into it, for us to spend time, money, effort, corporate resources, if you will? And in this case, 10 of them passed the deal analysis. Only one of them dropped off. Of those 10, we were able to call 9 of them back and go through the perfect presentation. And then of the 9 that we went through the perfect presentation, one of them went under contract. Another one of them went under contract on Monday of this week. So even though technically the lead came in last week, we didn't get it under contract until this week. I don't count that. It has to be during the dates you'll see here. This is from November 12th to November 18th. We got it under contract on the 20th. And believe it or not, we got another one under contract yesterday on the 21st. But just looking at these numbers, honestly, I'm not too upset, even though 11% is lower than I would like. We typically close around 20, 25%. I'm still happy with 1 and 9. And at the end of the day, we have 6 pending deals. Projected profit is $134,000, and then contracted profit is $167,000, with a total profit of $301,000. So you spend $461 in marketing to get one property under contract. And of the pending deals that we have, 6 of them, we're looking at a contracted profit of $167,000. So I don't know how much that equals on average each. If I were to go to a calculator, 167 divided by 6, about $30,000 per deal, which is pretty much what we strive for as a minimum. Honestly, that's a little bit lower than I was hoping for. But all in all, it was a really good week for us. I just want to share this app that we're building out with REI Automated. Even though I'm a little bit sick, I'm a little bit under the weather, even though it's the day before Thanksgiving, I was still happy about this, happy enough to spend 5 minutes just showing you guys kind of the stuff that we're building out with REI Automated, the things that we're doing inside our personal real estate investing business, Crown Properties. If this at all interests you with what we're doing when it comes to marketing, when it comes to deal structure, that sort of thing, feel free to hit me up. See you guys later. Have a good Thanksgiving.